How to delete Imvu account. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Imvu account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, you don't have to open the Imvu app, you have to open its website. So open up any browser on your phone and then search for Imvu. Then go to this Imvu website. Then once you are in your Imvu website, you have to log in if you haven't logged in, and after you have logged in, you have to paste a link here in the top. You have to paste this link. I will leave this link in this video's description, so copy that link, and after you log into your Imvu account, paste the link in the search bar and search for it, and it will take you directly to the delete your account page. Now here zoom in and here enter your account password and tap on continue. And after you tap on continue, you will see a message like this: success, you have successfully deleted your account. A confirmation email has been sent. So open your email that is connected to your Imvu account. And you can see that I have received the email from Imvu, and it says your account has been deactivated. And so this is how you can delete your Imvu account. Thanks for watching.